Welcome back to the Electrical Building Design Show. In this episode, I want to provide a definition of BIM for electrical engineers, and that definition is Revit. So let me explain. BIM is a fairly poorly defined term. It can mean anything or everything or nothing, depending on who you're talking to or what your context is. BIM is also just a concept that has to be implemented in concrete software. Going back to the origins of BIM, it first came about in the early 90s in some technical papers, but was really popularized in the 2000s by Autodesk when they were trying to describe what Revit did. It was essentially a marketing term to differentiate Revit from AutoCAD and other tools. Bentley and Graphisoft saw what Autodesk was doing. They chose to follow suit and use BIM to describe their programs as well. And so that's how BIM came to be the popular descriptor for the software we have today. Fast forward 25 years, where does that leave electrical engineers? There are a lot of parts and pieces to BIM, but one important element is being able to collaborate with other people who are working on the building. BIM, siloed by itself for a single discipline, isn't really going to meet the standard of BIM that most people think about. Last year, I came up with the Electrical Engineering BIM scorecard to rate BIM packages for use by electrical engineers. I then spent a couple months reviewing all of the BIM packages I could find out there. And what I discovered is that for electrical engineers, there's really only one option that meets any of their needs, and that's Revit. So if the project is in Revit, the electrical engineer can also use Revit, and so they can be using BIM. For any other architectural package that implements BIM, the electrical engineering portion is not usable for actual design. So the electrical engineer is going to be stepping back into CAD to be doing their work. There are various add-ins for various CAD packages that could be considered BIM, but generally the industry is not going to think of that as a BIM implementation. For the AEC industry as a whole, BIM is obviously bigger than Revit. There's a lot of other technology, a lot of other programs that can be used for BIM. But for electrical engineers, BIM and Revit are synonymous. If an electrical engineer is going to be doing BIM, they are going to be using Revit. Otherwise, they're going to be in a CAD package and not using what other people would consider to be BIM.